Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to share with you what I'm doing this week. So this week I'm off. It is midwinter recess for many schools in New York. And I guess most of my life I've been living in New Jersey. So I am a licensed realtor. I do this part-time. I've done it full-time in the past, but I lost my license in New York. I still have my license in New Jersey. I from through Coldwell Banker, but I do want to get licensed in New York. I'm looking to invest in or possibly buy a house this summer. So that's why I advise everyone, if you are at that stage where you're looking to invest in real estate or buy your first house, get licensed. It's really easy. So this is a 77-hour real estate course. You need to pass this course as well as the state exam, and then you're pretty much licensed. I'm just saying it. Maybe I'm just because a teacher. I feel like it's very easy, but I got licensed in New Jersey through Weikert School, and I physically went in person. If this is your first time, I would suggest going. I mean, for me, like I like the in-person instruction, listening to the stories. I understand the material better when if it's an individual teaching me in person. But if you have some experience, or if you're just like lost your license and you want to just get it back, like my situation, then an online route would possibly be more beneficial for you. So it depends on your style. I like the in-person class, but I have a background knowledge. I know a lot about real estate. I'm already licensed, so this online course, and it was very like cheap and affordable. I was like, this is kind of like my route. So I'm going to take this course, pass it, and then I'm going to get scheduled for the state exam, get that, and then I'm thinking possibly just using the same broker. I can pick and choose a broker, and I probably just stick with Coldwell Banker since I'm affiliated with them in New Jersey. And then I'll have all the access to the listings, get on the MLS. But I just wanted to show you, real estate, becoming an agent is what you're looking to do. Let me just show you some chapters. License law. So I've completed all of this. So that was chapter 1. There's a lot of topics with license law. Oh wow, I'm scrolling down. I can't believe I did all of this already. Chapter 2, you have law of agency. 3, estates and interest. Chapter 3, liens and easements, deeds, title closing and costs, leases, contracts, contract preparations. Chapter 4, that's where I'm in right now. 5, we're going to get into real estate finance, land use regulations. 7, construction, environmental issues. 8, pricing properties. 9, human rights and fair housing. Real estate math is 10. Agencies, property insurance, license safety, taxes. So you're going to see there's a ton of different chapters. Condos and co-ops, very important. You need to know all of this if you have an interest in becoming a realtor. Income tax issues, real estate transactions, mortgages, property management, and that's pretty much all the topics. And then you take a school final exam, which I'm going to take everything online. And then the state exam, I have to take that in person. So I go to one of these testing facilities, pass that, and then I can apply and become licensed in the state of New York. All right, so that's pretty much the rundown of how to get licensed. In the state of New York, you have to be 18 years of age, pass a pre-licensing course like this one. This is an online one. It's 77 hours in the state of New York, and then pass the state exam. So I will keep you posted on my journey. And if you are licensed already, my advice, don't let that license go like I did. This is just annoying. It's very easy to do continuing education credits. I think it's like every 2 years. I know in New Jersey it's 2 years. I don't know if in New York. But that's why I'm in this class now, because I don't know in New York. But look into it. Keep those credits active and keep your license active. All right, so I will explain more and have another playlist with real estate and show you. Again, I've worked real estate full-time in the past as well as part-time, so I'll teach you everything I know with real estate investing. Your first home purchase, whether it's a condo with those, they have those maintenance fees, or a co-op, or even if it's like a multifamily. If you are, doing what I do, I like investing and renting out homes or even flipping, I'll share with you everything I know and hopefully help you get licensed or just if you have any questions. All right. So thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.